Welcome to this tutorial on how to use your Best Buy credit card online. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of managing and utilizing your Best Buy credit card online. First, you need to create an account on the Best Buy website. To do this, go to the Best Buy website and click on the Sign In option at the top right corner. Then select Create an account and enter the required information such as your name, email address, and password. You will also need to provide your credit card information including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Once you have created your account, you can log into your account dashboard where you can view your current balance, available credit, and payment due date. You can also make payments online by clicking on the Make a Payment option and entering the amount you want to pay. To make a purchase using your Best Buy credit card online, simply add the items you want to buy to your cart and proceed to checkout. On the payment page, select the Best Buy credit card as your payment method and enter the required information. You can also apply for rewards and financing options during checkout. It is essential to keep your account information up to date and secure. Make sure to regularly check your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to the Best Buy customer service. You can also set up account alerts to notify you of any changes to your account. In addition, you can use the Best Buy mobile app to manage your credit card account on the go. The app allows you to view your account balance, make payments, and receive exclusive offers and discounts. You can download the app from the App Store or Google Play. To get the most out of your Best Buy credit card, make sure to take advantage of the rewards program. You can earn points for every dollar you spend and redeem them for discounts and rewards on future purchases. You can also use the Best Buy credit card at other retailers that accept the card. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use your Best Buy credit card online and manage your account with ease. Remember to always keep your account information secure and up to date to avoid any potential issues.